Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video. Let's see. They brought us a Volkswagen Golf 1900 TDI and the problem it had is that the owner couldn't start the engine. To start the engine, we had to add ether. Then, the owner told us that since he had an air problem in the fuel system, to see if putting a non-return valve could solve the problem. Watch the video and I'll explain it to you. Well, you have already seen the video. You have seen the amount of diesel that is being pumped out by the high-pressure pump. Here it would not do any good to install a non-return valve, because it is pumping out too much fuel. If it were a simple pour, okay? A simple pour through which some air could enter, well, a non-return valve would do, but in this case, what you have to do is repair the joints of that pump, and in this way the problem is solved. Here, as I say, a check valve would be useless. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel.